probably don't care about that though. So we better get right into the questions. And, let's just start off with a big one. So, like, where is the coloring page or coloring book market right now? And where are some hot opportunities for our customers?
Well, the coloring book market is alive and well. And really, the hottest opportunities right now are for the people who want to stand out from everybody else. And I think that there's great opportunity in TikTok and YouTube and Facebook Live and really connecting with an audience. I know that when I was doing my retail side of the coloring, and I have since sold that site, but when I was doing that, that was the most connection that we had. People were following me, following my products, following this community, and we colored. And I know that there is a huge opportunity for somebody who wants to be out there and to gain followers that way.
So you're saying, like, so standing out in terms of their personality more than the actual coloring pages, or
Both.
both?
So